money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. Throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
Up in a coat, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pin a phone, never tell me killer phone. Everybody coming from the hood, so not kidnappo. Everybody stacking by the same, cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same blood, living in a prison.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
Coming with a ski mask, bitch with a baby. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some mojo with a Gucci bag.
We in here, one don't get, and we ain't fit, can't get in here. We getting lit in here. I don't care, and the girls dancing everywhere. The bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing everywhere, the swags everywhere, designers everywhere.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
This young T, young David, young Emma, young Thug, young boy, young Bear, young Doll, young Nick, young Giz, young Hills. Pull up at your hall, young Mill, young Chill. I say catch him with your pitch him, learn from repetition. I got no ambitious visit, so I question my intention.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way.
Oh my God! Brother,
Rich millionaire, hey! Rich! What, hey, hold on to that! Bomboclat! Rich millionaire!
bruh.
Welcome to another great live stream. I didn't even set out my lights, man. That's about to be a hood show. About to be some low production activity right now. Sorry. Eating too on live. About to be a slow, low ad production. Slow ad production. Slow ad production.
Oh my God!
All right, we about to get straight into it. No BSing around. I'm him, Trim Tim. My name is Katembo. On the trades in this bitch. We about to go crazy. OBS knows how to piss me off, you know? How the OBS just pissing me off. Just pissing me off. OBS just love to piss me off. OBS love to piss me off. Alright, boom. Done feasting. Let's get to it. Get to it. Get to it. Get to it. Open up some tabs. Let's open up some tabs. Price Factory. Oh. Earning Hub. Yeah. Alright. Alright. Boom, 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 boom. This week I'm starting off straight to the earnings hub. And GameStop has earnings. GameStop has earnings. Look at what's going on with GameStop. Not been doing shit for the past year. I ain't been doing shit for the past 4 years. Been in this range. GameStop pony. Tony ain't doing shit. Let me see. This penny stock. Jesus. Jeff. Their financials. What happened? Oh my God. What the?
Oh my God!
Y'all can't see it, but this shit is cooked. Y'all can't even see it, but it's cooked. I don't want to show y'all. Honorval. This is the largest global cruise ship. More than 90 ships in service. Its portfolio brands. Shout out to Carnival. Love getting fried too. But nothing too crazy. Maybe they're pretty. What is this? Cintas has robot tracking back to 1929. Goddamn, during which the former family cleaned and sold dirty rags manufacturing plants. And I did not need all that background. I see prices at this long-term support since those tariffs. Anyways, that's our not too much. BLK. BlackRock is reporting their dividends. Meta is reporting dividends. Wingstop and Waste Management is going to be dropping our dividends on Wednesday. I'm tripping. Wingstop and Waste Management is dropping reporting. Oh, they're dropping dividends. Damn, I can't speak this morning.
Oh my God!
Yeah, so Wingstop and Waste Management dropping dividends on Friday. Wednesday, on Thursday, Meta is dropping their dividends, and Tuesday, BlackRock is dropping their earnings.
Rich millionaire, hey!
Get out of my
Rich,
face.
what on the
All right, and then you see that our Forex Factory calendar. So for big macroeconomic news, we have a flash MPI on rich manufacturing indexes. So flash MPI, and then unemployment claims are coming out Thursday in the morning. Let's look at MPI. Let's ask ChatGPT. Let's ask chat. What is that? Lame, baby. So the flash manufacturing MPI, Purchasing Manager Index, is the early estimate of the factory activities in the economy released before final version each month. Survey of the manufacturing company's purchasing managers measure things like new orders, production, and unemployment. So it's another economic data that's coming out. Boom, let's see this. This is what this is about. I ain't allowed to not care. All right, because we here for price and price only. So let's do a little quick review what happened. So lately, I've been in my head. We're recording. I need to take a nap. Oh, God damn. I ain't gonna need to take a nap. Shit. I did wake up early as shit. I went to sleep late as shit. All right, let me make this quick, fool. This stream is about to be a fast stream, bruh.
Oh my God!
All right, so boom. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Meta. Starting off with Meta. Meta has been holding this support level. And guess what? Broke below support, tested, and continued downward. And look at that point. Oh my God, you could have had a 40 point play last week. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. Last week, Meta sold off. Going to going on to Microsoft. As you can see, Microsoft also broke the support, came back, been testing around, and then boom, broke below it. Is it gonna go below, make a new low after this 383 level and push maybe to the 350, 360 level. I'll love that. I'll love to see that next week. You know, because I'm in a call right. I'm in a put right now. In a put. Just change my. Just be a little more realistic with my stop losses. And then going on to Tesla. Man, like I've been waiting. Yeah, I thought Tesla's gonna break above, you know, and then but look, there's weakness. There's a lot of selling pressure on the daily. And one thing I noticed is like the daily candlesticks, fire. Trade on. I might be a swing trader, intraday swing trader, bro, because like I feel like my lifestyle. I think trading is like should reflect how you trade. Should definitely reflect on how your lifestyle is, right? So like if you got time early mornings, you have time on your hands and you can day trade and you can look at getting in and out, that's cool. But if you have a busy lifestyle, I feel like you want to get into trading, I think the best way to get into it is swinging. Because if you have a full-time job too, like when you require your full attention to work something, I think swing trading, intermediate swing trading is the best thing for you. And I feel like currently with my lifestyle, how it's going, I don't have the most time on my hands in the morning. I don't have time to check all the charts, but I know when I get like, you know, with the daily chart, I can just get in and then just worry about it. If it's my SL, I can get out. I don't have time to get in and out all the time. But with that to note, that's how I'm looking at it. That's how I'm feeling, because I feel like that's gonna be even better for me to trade to swing trading, intermediate swing trading. That's how I'm feeling right now. Tesla broke this support level, and I've been talking about this support level for a couple weeks now. It finally broke, and we broke downward. Tesla might push this 350 level. Moving on to Google. I feel like Google is in a great spot too. Like it's right below the support, bro. I feel like Google might be in a sell, and prices underneath the two VMA, SMA, and VWMA. So that's low key like a good selling opportunity right here. Good selling opportunity, and you know, I'm gonna lie, I'm gonna take this one. Hold it for a couple weeks. So this is one of my. I'm still like, okay, this is a good opportunity right here with Google. Then going on to Apple. Dang, I can't, bro. My brain is everywhere. Fried. My brain fried, fool. I'm thinking I'm fried, bro. So Apple also tried to hold this support level, but failed and broke below it. And continued downward. Look at this. But guess what? Apple failed to make that new high. Make that higher high. Doom. Look. Was Apple gonna break this new support? And if Apple breaks that new support, like the older support, because this was a support level, you know, but Apple kind of bounced off of it and came back. But guess what? Is Apple going to break and continue downward? We'll see. This is a review too. So, and then also looking at it from Amazon, on an Amazon level, as you can see that Amazon has definitely tried to break this resistance, but no avail. But I'm gonna keep a lookout. We might see some sell-offs, but that's how Amazon's looking. Boom, Nvidia is back below. Actually, Nvidia is testing the support level, right? We hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now Nvidia is at the support level. Let's see if Nvidia finally relents and breaks below, because man, you know what, I might be getting some sales on Nvidia too. So it's really Google and Nvidia. I'm gonna be looking for sales. Let's review SPY. As you can see, SPY also, man. Look, we've been trying to. I've been talking about how SPY has been creeping. But guess what? Now I don't know what in my head is just like patient, like genie, just like bro, like trust yourself, trust your gut, trust your inner self, like, and you know, go with that trade. You know, just take that trade and swing that jit. Just swing it, swing. So look what happened to past 5 days. Price broke below support and it stayed below the support. try to retest a little bit, but that failed. Boom, price pushed literally like 10 points. And 2 points below. So is I feel like it might come back to retest this level. So we might see a continuation downside. So yeah, that's pretty much my review of the market, and that's the Mag 7. Do I have I do have the suit. Oh, that's also QQQ. QQQ also fell below. As you can see, QQQ broke below the support here and just continued downward. Then you can see also, man, Dow Jones has been getting fried like beans, fried like beans, goddamn fried beans. Ever had fried beans? Yep. As you can see, this was back in early March too. Early March, price broke below it and then just retested it. Guess what? Boom. Continue downward. Continue downward. Look at that. Look at that. Man, when I say sell below and buy them, you have like a 50% chance of winning all your trades. Boom. Especially on the daily, man. The daily's powerful, man. Trying to respect the daily, man. Giving this due creds, man. I'm not a day trader. I'm a swing, intermediate swing trader. But that looks pretty good. Let me go ahead and clean these charts up. Clean this up. I'm gonna do the top-down analysis. Low key is gonna be another short stream, man. Like, bro, like this is all we need, bro. We don't need to stay. This is what trading is about. Like, just putting in our, you know, our efforts, Then we out of here, man. And then we're gonna also like review some some other stocks that are not on the Mag 7 list. But I don't know, like I just love the short format that I'm currently doing. You know, it gives me time back in my day. And you know, I get to enjoy the rest of your day too. Like it's Sunday. Like, you know, Sunday's supposed to be a chill day. I haven't chilled much either. But boom, look at that, look at that, look at that. We're on the downtrend on the monthly. So this is a sign. Look at that. Weakness. See weakness on the monthly, on the meta. Then boom, even in the past few weeks, meta has been showing, you know, we've had a few consolidating weeks where indecision, the overall price and everything was just below SMA, BMA. How do I block some? Yeah. Anybody? Yeah. On a daily, that sweet daily. So look, this support level right here, been noticing it forever. Finally broke below it. Now this is the new support. Are we gonna bounce? Is price gonna bounce of it? Look at that. Look how things change. Your support turns into your resistance. You know what I'm saying? So is price gonna break below this level and we're gonna, you know, push below it? Guess what? It is shit right here. You point your arrow, look at this. It's our new target. But I feel like price is gonna definitely play around here a little longer if we're gonna expect price to push below there. That's why I see in meta. Let's go zoom in for a smaller time frame. If we can, you know, find any smaller short-term opportunities. Even here, I could say like, look, boom, price broke this support level, went below it. You know, it's how easy it be, bro. Let's go to the monthly and move on to Microsoft, Bill Gates, Goofy. Yeah, I mean, dude, big man Goof. I mean, big man Bill. Send me $1,000. I mean, send me $1 million invoice of $1 million, man. Shit. Oh, send me check of $1 million. I don't need no invoice from your ass. You ought to be taking my money. But look at Microsoft, and it's in a particular spot on the weekly too. See, pushed, and like, do I feel like Microsoft? Do I know? I don't know because we can never know 100%. But Microsoft could continue push down to these levels right here. Maybe this might be the reversal zone. Everything go in the circle. I should go in the circle. A. All right, boom. We'll pop out our daily. Then we just take this out. Boom. Support. Distance. This support's right there. Boom. Boom. See it. Pop that there. Target there. Clean. It's a ratio. Clean. Wait, I don't say the ratio. Risk to awarded. Then the 2-to-1. 2-to-1 ratio. Right there. Right there. Clean 2-to-1 ratio. This over there. For instance, let's go on a smaller time frame. See if we can find anything else that's measurable. We have this right here, support level. Chose to get in after going below this level, so that. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Then going on to Tezzy. Finally broke this support level. Going to monthly with Tesla. I'm gonna do a drop down. We're just pushing below, and we might be crossing these SMA and BWMA. Weekly chart. You can see on the weekly chart, and Tesla's been getting cooked on, pooped on. But boom, you got this. Much was support level, bounced off. This is on the weekly time frame too. On the weekly time frame, but seeing that that change in that correlation. So at this level, I'm gonna keep that as a target. The H target to the weekly. You see that beautiful support level right there. Broke below it, so our target. Our target's at distance support. Price is definitely pushing below it, and then our target is here. You already hit target 1, target 2 is here, target 3 here. Tezzy, but I don't know. I missed the train. Not gonna lie to you, I missed the train. Did not get in because I should have gotten in. And price is on a downtrend. Look at this downtrend. You're on a downtrend. Sell. The uptrend. Buy. Moving on to Google. Let's do a top-down analysis on Google. Google might be on the verge of moved on too, because weakness, indecision, pushback, bullish, bearish, and go. Not really, but this weakness. And I see this like opportunity for a sell-off too, This sell-off. Look at this right here. Little support, little resistance. And yeah, I hate when I put a support resistance. High time frame. Boom. Currently, so with that though, on the weekly time frame, but it broke the support. But this daily right here, we're seeing this support here. Just go back, do it with this Z. Just do that. Boom, boom, boom. See it.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Morning. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Doing good.
So, I got your number from Ali. We want our TV to be fixed for the wall, TV mount.
Okay.
Uh,
Can you text me the details and stuff?
yeah, sure. You want me to send the apartment?
No, I'm talking about like what you want and like what's the location, because
Yeah, sure.
I
I can
tend
send you that.
I tend to
So,
like operate through just text message.
yeah, sure. I can do that. That message?
No. Can I get like text message?
Text message? Yeah, sure. I can send you the location. So,
Okay.
when are you free to come and fix it? So that we will be available
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is good. At what time?
What time? Probably like
Evening?
6 p.m. Depending on what location you're located at. There
Oh,
might be a
sure.
jobs fee.
Yeah. I'll just send you the location.
All right. Just text me the
All right.
details
Sure.
and how many TVs, and I'll just
Only one TV we have mounted already. So
okay.
we have to just fix it.
All right. Do you want the cables to be hidden?
Sorry?
They're taking my money. They're taking my money. All right, back to what I was doing. Let's just restart. Google. All right, so Google's been on a downtrend, and Google's about to get pooped on. Let's go on a weekly. Oh, we had this. We had this level of support here. Right here. And I said it failed. We'll continue, and it's below SMA, PWMA. Look at that. R support turns into resistance, resistance turns to support. Boom, boom. Now, like Google's underneath the SMA, and it's low key right about across the support level, and we're about to get into it. Give it a good stop loss and see what happens with Google. Moving on to Apple. Apple, we start that. We need to go on a higher time frame. Apple, as you can see, we've just been, we try to make that recovery, but nope. Apple failed. Go on a weekly time frame, and 1, 2, 3, 3 straight weeks of sign off. And then you can see this level of support, this long-term level, support level right here. And prices underneath PMA, SMA, PWMA. So wham, wham. Apple, I don't know. Can't put it on.
Brother,
Good zone too. Good area to sell. Let's see what Apple does. Then Amazon, go on Amazon. On the higher time frame, just getting pooped on too. It's been a bearish time year for 2026 for the mega caps. Then you can see this for the weekly. Time where I was talking about the core level, it's resistance here. Prices underneath this resistance. Support level. Drop that down. Boom. Daily. Daily's a little different, but definitely prices underneath both the SMA and underneath the 200 MA, 200 day RSI. RSI? Is that the RSI? The 200 day, whatever, moving average. 200 day moving average. Definitely in short sell zones. Put a small here. But instead of us worry about this top resistance, let's just focus on this right here. Boom, 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 as you can see. And maybe on the 4 hours, maybe some opportunity. Looks pretty all right, looks pretty clean. Then let's move on to a video on a higher time frame. Video is finally about to get pooped on. I get pooped on. Let's go on a weekly. Boom. Right here, or so on a daily, break this level, getting in. The video is finally gonna get cooked. That's the Mag 7 for you, Mag 7. So quick review. Meta is pushing its new support level. Might go lower. Microsoft definitely push lower to this 360 level. Tesla's broken its support level. Target level 340, 340, 333. Google is also approaching that golden about to cross the support level. Maybe might push back down to 270. Apple's also near the support level. Might push down below it. Then Amazon also push below this support level, but it's not known where it's near. And finally, Nvidia is definitely under the watch of getting pooped on too. Go to spy. I spy with my little eye, the curly-headed cutie. All right, boom. Pushing down. Weakness. Spy. Monthly. We'll see continuation. Let's see. We finally broke this level of support and resistance on weekly. Now, we're trying to find our new inner targets. So we have the support here. Price bounced and it broke that support level. So looking for any new opportunities. Let me just mark this up. That up. Price can continue to push this 620 level. We're gonna see how that moves. Price also, you can notice prices the SMA VWMA 200. That could be a major sign of pullback. We pull back to these 2025 pre-tariff discussion. That's the 612 levels. Moving on to QQQ. As you can see, also getting that treatment. But not as bad. So we see that weekly, you have this support level right here. And it was consolidating a lot. It's consolidation level. Maybe you're gonna see more movement. Then let's go to the daily, get a cleaner look, and you can see price already broke this long-term support right here. Support will be underneath the support, SMA, VMA, and 200-day moving average. Target right there. Then we have the Dow Jones, man, just straight indication, straight getting fried on a weekly. Yeah, for the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, getting
Oh my God!
cooked. Just getting cooked. No signs of recovery. I'm just kidding. There's signs of recovery, but liking this right here, this low support level. The resistance here. On the daily, see price trying to rebound off of this level, but failed miserably. But guess what? Failure is not end all be all. As you can see, boom, boom, boom. Look at that. Price just be doing his thing beneath here. So analysts, got Microsoft. I'm gonna add Google. I want to buy some puts on Google. So Nvidia. Gotta add Nvidia to my trading list. Do a look, quick view, and look at that. Carvana's underneath support. Might see it push below. Dang, is Carvana next levels? Let's see if that's opportunity. Carvana. Let's put this chart up. Clear the chart. Remove my indicators. Nice. I mean to do that. But here, SMA. Up. Like this. That. Go back to indicators. simple moving average, and weighted moving average. Pretty much. Hey, let's go to the weekly. Oh my God. See in the weekly. Pushing down. See this core level getting broke. And we have lines of continuation downside. Core level, boom. Boom. Look at it. This is the weekly. And 1, 2, 3. Yep. Downtrend 2. Off. Downtrending downwards. I'll be in a more. This is the next target. Next target. See it. Carvana broke above this. I think it wants to continue upwards. Kava, that's Kava. That was Carvana. I don't know, am I getting some sales in this hold? Kava, Starbucks, between this range, failed to push above. And stop. Stop is also below support level. Downward. You got Olay also going down. Then we have with that, man, this stream is over. I'm done. I'm about to take a nap. But thank you for joining my great live stream. I appreciate y'all. God bless. You know what I'm saying?
Rich millionaire, hey! Rich! What on the Bomboclat! Rich millionaire!
Good luck to everybody trading this week. Y'all got it. You're going to be great. Uganda Trades is out. You know what time it is.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. Throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
It's a pinnacle code, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pinna fold, never tell me killer fold. Everybody coming from the hood, so na kinapo. Everybody stacking by the same, cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same plot, living in a pinna fold.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
Come in with a scheme max, bitch with a B-bet. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some mojo with